So you can see, you first unscrew the four screws. Yeah, you can unscrew 2 and 3. Then this one can be out. 这边要拖着一点下面。不用，
不会掉下来。
它不会掉是吧？So after takes this plate out.
这就可以取掉。
After takes this plate out.
取掉之后，这个就可以。
Then you can take this one. Yeah, like this. To take it out like this. To change it. Okay, you can change it like this. And then when you install it, yeah, 可以继续嘛。
装新的它就。
So yeah, you through thread like this, and then fix it here, and then use this plate back, install this plate back to put back 4 screws. Yeah, to fix the new transducer. Okay, so during all the process, you do not need to fix this one first. Okay, you do not need to fix this one first. You just install the parts first. Yeah, you first unplug the transducer and then you install the parts. Okay. Yeah, the 4 screws you can screw half and then you screw tight together. Yeah, to make it even. 就是不用拧太紧嘛，其中一个是吧？就是每一个都匀速一点，然后最后再统一锁紧，是吧？
对角啊。
Yeah, first these 2 and then that 2 to make it flat and even. And no need to fix too much because you need to install this horn. The horn, this one must be quite tight. You see here, must be very tight, and then you can install. Yeah, this one must be wrapped very clean, and to put the new horn. Yeah, be careful with the new horn. Yeah, you can screw it tightly without hurt or hit anything. Yeah, after you fix it, you see, you still need to use this cloth and to fix it tightly. Okay, one wrench to fix here, and the other to rotate this one tightly. Okay, very tightly. You can see you must use very high strength to make it tight. So no problem. This one is not balanced. You can adjust the 4 screws after you change the new horn. Yeah, you can then lose the 4 screws again to make it. Yeah, so just now you do not need to make too tight. So you can lose the 4 screws a little bit so that you can rotate.
注意看一下这个安全线朝下的。
And make sure this line, the safety line, must be underside. The safety line, you see, the safety line underside. Yeah, this one, without the air plug too. That's why you can push it back. Okay, so you can use like this.
要再找平。
And then you can use the ruler to measure each side to see if it's balanced. Now you can see if it is balanced.
一样就可以了。
Yeah, make sure each side is the same to the table. Yeah, make it a tiny adjustment based on the measurements. And then fix the 4 screws now. Yeah, first this one, and then the other side one, and then the other sides. Okay, should be like this. Yeah, to fix this mold tightly. Yeah, to fix this plate quite tightly with this one now balanced, and make sure. This is quite important that you put this line underside. Yeah, fix this plate tightly. Yeah, tight enough. Okay.
然后
And you can
这边调平
push
一
it
下
back.